Hey ladies, how you doing? It's been a minute. Let's keep it up front. I needed a serious break from social media. I needed a break from YouTube. I just needed a break. I just wanted to just be in my world, my life, and that is it. Because not for nothing, how can I say, for lack of better words, social media is a place where you can pretty much have your own opinion. And people put their own opinion out there, and it's either you're going to listen to it or you're not going to listen to it. However, I just was like, people and their opinions, there's some things you just should not say, and some things you should keep, you should, voice. But however, I am back, and I just wanted to come and just put like a little, video out saying, while I was going for a minute, I just needed a break. And plus, I got a new job. I'm pretty much really into my career now, so it's fun. I like what I do, and I like YouTube as well. I like you guys. I like meeting you guys. I met so many of you just like in the street out here in Raleigh. It's so cool. But I'm back. How you guys been doing? I got a new do going on here. I'm gonna get into that later. But however, your girl is going to change up a little bit. Just change up just a tad bit. Not nothing too crazy. Just a little bit different. I don't buy as much makeup as I used to. I don't mean to, but I just feel like I have my look. And I like a nice, simple look, as you see here. So me buying so much makeup is just like, I'm going to definitely keep showing you my favorites and stuff like that, and my currents and stuff like that. But for the most part, me just out buying makeup, I don't know about that. But I want to show a side of you that you guys really don't see of me, and that's pretty much like my style, pretty much like the behind the scenes of pretty much the whole my YouTube channel. In addition to, like, I got daughters. You can see my daughters. I got a funny mom. I want to show you guys that side of me, because I want YouTube to be fun. Yes, it's a business for some people, but I want it to be fun. And I want this channel to be a channel for us to just hang out and just get away from all the other stuff that goes on. I just put the camera up. I want to just kind of let you guys know, where I've been going. I really haven't been on social media. I've been liking people pictures and things like that, and happy birthday and things like that. The last post that I posted was my birthday, which was June 23rd. But prior to that, I wasn't really posting. At this point, I just needed a break. I still was strolling through, seeing what everybody's doing, what's going on, and everybody's milestones, which is really good. But for myself, I just wanted to just chill out for a minute. And you need that. You need that just in your personal life, just to chill out from whatever's going on. So I needed that. I did it. I feel like I'm refreshed. I feel like I am. I don't know. You guys tell me. My blog. What's going on over there? Nothing's going on over there. I'm working with someone where I can develop something that's going to work for me, because I really want to get into really into my blog. I pretty much post just my videos over there as another form of a social media outlet, just to try to get my videos out. But I really want to have that as a place that I can go and pretty much, again, be me. I am me, but I want another place. What else? I'm looking over here. I got a lot going on over here. But yeah, I just want to, come through, just say, hey, I am here. My Mary Kay videos are doing amazing, so thank you. And for everyone who has an opinion on, me making a video in regards to Mary Kay. Like, I'm not the only one that make videos in regards to Mary Kay and my journey within that particular company. And women really did not like my videos. Some women loved them, so thumbs up to you ladies, and kudos. And for you ladies that are still doing it, I wish you all the best. The company is amazing. You just have to work it. All the direct sell companies are amazing. So just work it to your liking, work it to the benefits for you, and work it to where it works for you, for lack of better words. I'm just like, I can't think today. I can't talk. What else? Yeah, I needed a break from everything. I feel like once I had stopped doing Mary Kay, I kind of like tried to get back into doing my videos. And I just was so exhausted, because I'm not going to lie, when I was in Mary Kay, I was exhausted. So I needed a break from just everything. A break from stopping Mary Kay, stopping the whole process of getting my refund, and YouTube, social media, everything. But I had to sit back and think about what I wanted and how I wanted to move on with this whole YouTube thing and social media and my blog. This my whole brand in itself. I wanted to know where I wanted to go, and I took me some time out to think about it. I thought about it, and I know what I'm gonna do, and I want to share that with you because I want to encourage so many women to do what you want to do and not what somebody else feels that might be good for you. And that's something that I saw a lot when I wasn't married. Okay? So it's all about what you want to do and how things can benefit you. Work it to where it benefits you. And that's in anything that you do. Anything. Even at your current career. I want to get into, working. Having a job is not bad. Having a career is not bad. Being an entrepreneur is not bad. Being an entrepreneur is great. Having a job is great. I just see so many people up here where they're bashing both ends, and it's not bad either way. So I have a job. I have a career, and I like my career, and I don't want to leave my career. I want to still do this, and I want to still do my career. So I don't feel like I need to pick and choose. Now, of course, you do get to a place where you feel like, hey, if one thing is making another, if one is making more than the next, then you got to make a decision. But however, we all need an outlet. So you have to work your outlet to where it can benefit you, either in a business manner, if you want to just be solely an entrepreneur, that's on you. And I just went left. But that's just with my thought process because, listening and seeing so many people on social media, if you have a weak mind, you can really go down the freaking drain. And it's amazing. But however, I am back. And I want to give a little quick video just to say hey to you guys. I miss you. And thank you for just sending me messages saying, hey, what's up? I did send out the giveaway prizes. So some of you ladies did respond to me that I sent product out to. So I hope you enjoy. I do have some more that I want to give away. But I'm thinking about just taking it to a, and let me know your thoughts on this. There's a program, there's a few programs across the world, but here in the Raleigh-Durham area where women who are, trying to be self-sufficient, women who may have came down on hard times, women that may have, just hit a roadblock and they're trying to get themselves back up. So there's a place where they go for training, learning computers, resumes, things like this to get them back into the workforce. And I want to donate like what I had left to them because, you may get your job, you go on your interview, you want to look cute, you want to look pretty, you want to look refreshed, and you just want to feel good with inside. And that's help with your self-esteem when you're going out to these places. So I was thinking about giving the bulk of it just to this particular organization. Now, if you know of an organization that does something like this, to help women, start over or help, or like the working poverty, as they would say, because, that's my field again. And let me know. I would love to, just give a little over there because you'd be surprised of the reasons why people are where they are. And it's not because they're just being lazy or just because they're just saying they don't care. Things do happen to people. And, I don't care how much you may have and what may happen to you or what's going on. It could happen to any of us. So let me know. This is what I'm thinking about doing. And I'll bring you along on the journey on that because that's something that I've just really been thinking about. This, again, watching so much that go on social media and in the field that I am. So, yeah, that's it, guys. I just was rambling. Just wanted to talk to you guys and come out and say, hey. So, I will chit chat with you later. I'm going to have a schedule. I think I'm going to do... I think I said Tuesday, Thursday. I'm going to start doing videos Tuesday and Thursday. And I'm going to do something on my blog on Wednesdays. So I'm trying to have a schedule because I really want to build a routine because it's something that I want to do later on in this year. And I need to get you guys in my space. Really, really in my space. And so you guys can really get to know me. I mean, I'm sure you can kind of feel like what kind of person I am, but I want you to get to know me. And I want to, do something at the end of the year that will really be nice. Maybe make an impact. We'll see. I don't know. I'm feeling kind of givey. So, yeah. So, as I always say, hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. I almost forgot what I say. Bye, y'all.